How to join YouTube Premium family from another country. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily join YouTube Premium family from another country. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, what you want to do is head over to your web browser Google Chrome and then move into your Google account and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Now head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap on it, you will move into this page. From here, tap on payments and subscriptions option. It will redirect you to this space. Here, click on manage payment methods. Now inside the payment section, head over to settings. You will be landing on this interface. Under payments profile, you will see the option where it says country or region. Simply tap on that. From there, you can change it to appropriate country or region. Once you have selected your specific country or region, click on save. By doing this, your country and region has been changed. Now you will be able to join YouTube Premium from another country. So that is how you can join YouTube Premium family from another country. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.